In this tutorial, I'm going to run over 3 of the biggest advantages that an online business has over traditional brick-and-mortar companies. There is a reason that people are flocking to online businesses, given the freedom and convenience they can provide to those who are successful. Advantage number 1. Cost. The first advantage is obvious. The fact that your business does not require a physical location is a massive benefit. With an online business, you just need to pay a fee for hosting and site development. On top of this, you don't have to apply for planning permission or pay $1 million to erect a building. This project would take years to complete and could potentially require a serious loan application, which can be very stressful for the applicant. With an online business, you can get started nearly straight away. The upfront costs of starting a physical business are huge compared to an online one. Additionally, the operational costs of running a physical outlet are far higher, typically involving employees, insurance, higher utility bills, and licenses. Advantage number 2. Unlimited scalability. Online businesses offer unlimited scalability. With a traditional brick-and-mortar company, if you want to expand, you might need to get a loan and rent out new premises. This involves a lot of hassle, and it is a big move with significant risk involved. On the other hand, online businesses can scale far more easily. The website capacity can be extended to cater for more users, and they can carry out experiments on a smaller scale without breaking the bank. Because many online businesses offer digital products, it is possible to replicate these with little additional cost, meaning that scale is easier to achieve. Advantage number 3. Convenience. Online sites are open 24/7. Regardless of whether the customer is in Australia or the USA, they always have access to your online storefront. The same cannot be said of a physical outlet, which may stay open 9 to 5. The online site can be accessed anywhere at any time. Online sites can also make easy use of digital nomads for a global workforce. This is not the case with typical retail outlets who can only access local talents.